SpinaliS office chairs. Setup and usage instructions. Hold onto both handles and sit in the middle of the seat. Reach under the seat and use the lever to adjust it to the appropriate height. Feet should be flat on the floor and knees bent between 90 degrees and 100 degrees. The height of the backrest and armrests is adjusted by turning the knob at the back. Adjust the backrest height to whatever feels most comfortable for you. There are two ways to sit on the SpinaliS chairs. In active sitting mode, we sit in the middle of the seat. To maintain balance, our back and abdominal muscles are active. This way we maintain proper posture. When we want to rest, we move towards the back of the seat, relaxed sitting. We lean against the backrest and thereby relieve our muscles. Even in a relaxed position, our posture remains correct because of the movable seat. We wish you a pleasant use of the chair. For any questions, please contact our experts.